Black Lentil Tomato Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most nutritious of the black lentil recipes and one of the most different of the Urad Dal recipes. Today we are going to make black lentil tomato stew. The ingredients are 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 10 to 12 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and around 100 grams of black lentil soaked in water. We have taken black lentil from which the skin has been removed and hence it is not black. Heat the pan and put in .25 grams of clarified butter and let it melt. Put in the onion pieces and the shallots. The onion and the shallots are nicely roasted on the pinkish color. Salt. Put in the fennel seeds and the ginger, salt, thoroughly, put in the garlic, put in the black lentil. Put in a little more of the clarified butter, salt, saute, keep on sauteing. Now put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly. Saute this. Now put in salt taste. Next, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix, claret, pour in 200 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in some curry leaves, mix. Now the black lentil tomato stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black lentil tomato stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the black lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.